Dear students, today we are going to discuss about some 2 marks that is very short answer type questions DNA and RNA problems. So discuss about the three important problems are here. So the first important problem are here. In a typical DNA molecule, the proportion of thymine, that is T, is 30% of the nitrogen bases. Find out the percentage of other nitrogen bases. So this is a question. So this is a problematic question. So now let us the solution. So according to Erwin Chargaff, in double stranded DNA molecule, that is dsDNA, the ratio between adenine, that is A, and thymine, that is T, between cytosine, that is C, and guanine, that is G. So these are always are constant and equal ones are equal ratios. We is according to Erwin Chargaff, in any double stranded DNA molecule of nitrogen bases, that is furines and pyrimids. The furines are here adenine, guanine. The pyrimids are here thymine and cytosine. So the first furine of adenine is always opposite to the first pyrimidine of thymine, that is A and T. So this is a first furine, this is a first pyrimidine. In this first furine and first pyrimidine, between of the two hydrogen bonds, and second furine, guanine, and second pyrimidine, cytosine. So second purine of guanine is always opposite to second pyrimidine of cytosine, that is guanine and cytosine. So in this guanine and cytosine, between of the three hydrogen bonds. So this is a common rule are here according to Erwin Chargaff. According to Erwin Chargaff, that is A plus T equal to G plus C. A plus T equal to G plus C. So out of 100%, so already in this problem, so to be questioning thymine is 30%. Thymine is 30%. So in this thymine, that is T equal 30%, and the same adenine is also 30%. Why? Because adenine is first purine, thymine is first pyrimidine. So the first purine is always opposite to the first pyrimidine. So the first pyrimidine is so 30%, and the first purine, that is 30%. Totally 30 plus 30, that equal to 60%. Remaining 40% to be distributed into the second purine and the second pyrimidine. So remaining percentage, that is 40%. So in this 40% to be distributed equal ratio, that is guanine 20% and cytosine 20%. Equal ratio. So the second purine guanine containing 20%, the second pyrimidine cytosine containing 20%, totally 40%. So in this 60% plus 40% totally constituted within the 100%. So 100% of nitrogen bases to be distributed into the adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So adenine, thymine to be having 60%, and guanine and cytosine are having to 40%. 40%. This is a typical DNA molecule containing the proportion of adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. So hence in this problem to be asking only thymine is 30%, remaining percentage of other nitrogen bases, that is adenine 30%, guanine 20%, cytosine 20%. This is a first problem. And second problem are here, the proportion of nucleotides in a given nucleic acid are adenine that equal to 18%, guanine that equal to 30%, cytosine that equal to 42%, and uracil that equal to 10%. So name the nucleic acid and mention the number of strands in it. So dear students, the first problem would be double stranded DNA. According to Edwin Chargaff, all nitrogen bases are equal in ratio, that is adenine, thymine, these are equal in ratio, distributed into the 30% and 30%. Remaining guanine and cytosine is our equal ratio, that is distributed 20% and 20%. But here second problem are here. So according to Edwin Chargaff, all are similar or all are equal ones, that is equal to A plus T equal to G plus C. But here calculated different percentages are here. So adenine 18%. And adenine is similar of uracil that equal 10%, guanine 30%, cytosine 42%. In according to Edwin Chargaff, the principle are here, adenine equal to thymine, adenine opposite to thymine, and guanine opposite to cytosine. This is a DNA, double stranded DNA. But here uracil. So this is uracil. Uracil would be containing only single stranded RNA or double stranded RNA. So in this DNA nitrogen bases are here, adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. But RNA nitrogen bases are here, adenine, uracil, guanine, cytosine. So thymine is replaced by uracil. Thymine is replaced by uracil. So hence this is a RNA. This is a RNA. This nucleic acid is RNA. Why? Because containing uracil. Okay, now. So in this DNA containing 4 nitrogen bases, they are namely adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. But in this RNA containing 4 nitrogen bases, they are namely adenine, next uracil, guanine, and cytosine. By means thymine is replaced by uracil. Thymine is present in DNA, uracil is present in RNA. In DNA, uracil is replaced by thymine. In RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. So here adenine 18% and uracil 10%, not equal ratio. Next one, guanine 30%, cytosine 42%. This is not equal ratio. This is not equal ratio. So by means the proportion of adenine does not equal to uracil and guanine does not equal to cytosine. Does not equal to cytosine. The proportion of adenine does not equal to uracil. Adenine does not equal to uracil and guanine does not equal to cytosine. Why? Because adenine 18% and uracil 10% and guanine 30% and cytosine 42%. So 100%, but out of not a similar ratio, not 40%, not 60%. So here adenine and uracil. So adenine 18% plus uracil 10%, totally 28%. And guanine 30% and cytosine 42%, totally 72%. 72 plus 28, that equal 100%, but not equal proportion. But not equal proportion. So hence finally this is a single stranded RNA. This is a single stranded RNA. The number of strands in it, that is single stranded RNA. This is a second problem. And next coming to third problem over here. This is also DNA problem. So first problem DNA problem, second problem RNA problem, third problem over here DNA problem. Remaining all are problems similar in DNA and RNA. So third problem over here. If a double-stranded DNA has 20% of cytosine, if a double-stranded DNA has 20% of cytosine, so calculate the percentage of adenine. Calculate the percentage of adenine at the DNA. So first problem over here, timing 30%. Find out the remaining percentage of other nitrogen bases. Remaining, that is except thymine, remaining adenine, guanine, cytosine. But here, so 20% of cytosine, 20% of cytosine, and only the percentage of adenine, only the percentage of adenine. So this problem is also according to Erwin Chargaff. So according to Erwin Chargaff, 4 nitrogen bases are here, but first nitrogen basis of purine is always opposite to first nitrogen basis of pyrimidine, and second nitrogen basis, that is second purine, is always opposite to second pyrimidine. That is adenine is always opposite to thymine, guanine is always opposite to cytosine, and adenine thymine between of 2 hydrogen bonds, and guanine cytosine between of 3 hydrogen bonds. So but in this problem over here already, so 20 cytosine containing how much of the percentage? 20%. So cytosine will be containing 20%. So at the same time cytosine is opposite to guanine. So guanine is also will be containing how much of the percentage? 20%. So hence cytosine are having to 20% and guanine are also having to 20%. So totally find out guanine plus cytosine, that is 40%. That is 40%. Remaining 60% of remaining. So 60% have to be calculated. So in this 60% to be distributed into the equal ratio of adenine and thymine. Adenine and thymine. So hence 60%. So half of them, that equal 30% plus 30%. So in this 30% will be containing adenine and remaining 30% will be containing thymine. So dear students, cytosine. So cytosine percentage 20%, remaining calculate the percentage of adenine 30%. So cytosine if 20%, so thymine if 30%, remaining guanine is also 20%, adenine is also 30%. Why? Because cytosine is having 20%, is opposite to guanine, so that is 20%. So adenine is having 30%, adenine is opposite to thymine, is also having 30%. So totally how much of the percentage? 100%. So out of 40% guanine plus cytosine and 60% adenine plus thymine. Adenine plus thymine. So these are 3 problems in DNA and RNA. That is a double-stranded DNA molecule and also single-stranded RNA molecule. So dear students, this is very important area here. In double-stranded DNA molecule containing 4 nitrogen bases, they are namely adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, and RNA would be containing 4 nitrogen bases are here. So that is adenine, uracil, guanine, cytosine. In DNA, so uracil is absent, thymine is present. In RNA, thymine is absent, uracil is present. By means thymine is replaced by uracil. In DNA, uracil is replaced by thymine. So in this, both nucleic acids to be followed by according to Erwin Chargaff. So it is always the proportion of A plus T equal to G plus C. So both are in equal ones or equal ratios. Okay now, thank you.